Just about anybody can easily make a dovetail joint in under 3 minutes on a Leigh dovetail jig. We wanted to have some fun with the 3-minute dovetails challenge. So we're going to do a speed run to see just how much we can get done in 3 minutes and see if we can do a whole box in under 5 minutes. We'll be using the Leigh D4R Pro dovetail jig and making a variably spaced through dovetail box. Let's see how long it takes. And there you have it, a variably spaced through dovetail box made on the Leigh D4R Pro dovetail jig. And as you can see, the joints are almost perfect. A little bit of glue and a bit of finishing, and they would be. We made 3 sides in just over 3 minutes, and the whole box in just under 5 minutes. How long would it take you to make this box?